This is the way we make wudu. Make wudu, make wudu. This is the way we make wudu. Start with Bismillah. This is the way we wash our hands. Wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands 3 times nice and clean. This is the way we rinse our mouth. Rinse our mouth, rinse our mouth. This is the way we rinse our mouth for all our everyday. This is the way we rinse our nose. Rinse our nose, rinse our nose. This is the way we rinse our nose, slow and fresh every day. This is the way we wash our face. Wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face, fresh and bright every day. This is the way we wash our arms. Wash our arms, wash our arms. This is the way we wash our arms, right and left every day. This is the way we wipe our head and beard and ears. Head and ears. This is the way we wipe our head and ears, gentle and slow. This is the way we wash our feet. Wash our feet, wash our feet. This is the way we wash our feet, heel to toe